we organized in this project, as in many other projects, there are a number of scientific problems or tasks that should be done, and for each of these there is a senior associate professor or professor that has all of the academic responsibility, and then there may be a number of students or postdocs working in that field. And then to sort of facilitate the collaboration between the labs, we have made it so that we have at least at the moment I think we have 4 Chinese staying in Denmark that are coming from our sister lab in China, and we have a few Danes in Beijing at the moment. And so that communication can run smoothly via these postdocs and PhD that know the other laboratories but work in the other part of the project. I think one important lesson we learned about how to organize this is that we have these Chinese postdocs that work here in Copenhagen for more than 2 years now, and we have some Danes working in China, and they are really good at facilitating more complicated communication. So for instance, I had one case where we had 2 different studies that were closely related, but some parts was done in China by some Chinese people and some parts were done here in Denmark by some Danes, and we sort of had the consideration if this should be into 1 research paper or 2 research papers. And this is always a little delicate discussion, because who is going to be the responsible author or first author and stuff like that. And I did not know the Chinese professor that well, and so it was very nice that I could talk detailed with our postdoc here in Copenhagen that knew this professor in China, and explain to him that I just wanted to find out what their view on this was. I was not going to pressure for any specific decision on this. And then our postdoc could then convey this discussion and explain it in Chinese and hopefully without any misunderstanding, and we settled this in a good manner.